Hi, I'm Eddie Oberoi, your Silicon Valley real estate broker with Intero Real Estate Services, and we're super excited about our new listing here in Pleasanton. I'm sitting down with Martha Miller and Kaajal Shahani. Martha, you raised your family in this neighborhood, right?
I absolutely
Tell me a little bit more about that.
Fantastic place to raise kids. I have two daughters, lived here for a number of years, right next door. We had so much fun. There's a little creek nearby. We used to search for salamanders. We'd go swimming, obviously, here in our neighbor's pool. Just had so much fun. It's a fantastic area, fantastic town.
Nice. And Kaajal, you are raising your family as we speak.
I am. I'm using the local schools right now. We're at Hearst Elementary. Foothill High School is down the street. The best part of it all is that the schools and the housing is all within 5-mile radius of everything you need. Restaurants, parks, gym, actually the BART, if anyone's using that for commute purposes, it's amazing.
No, it is. And I'm loving the atmosphere over here because it's like a small town charm, yet you're not too far away from San Francisco or Silicon Valley.
Yeah.
I mean, you have it all over here, or going to Napa, right?
Absolutely.
Now, Martha, tell me a little bit more about the house.
The house is 5 bedrooms. Beautiful, beautiful kitchen, entertainer's dream. This backyard has hosted bridal showers, baby showers, birthday parties. It's fantastic. It's just an amazing area. The house is amazing.
Yeah, you're right. Over 5,000 square feet of luxury living. It's unbelievable. A lot of natural light. I love the way the floor plan is so natural. And also, I like the backyard. Because you can, you have so much room over here. You can throw a wedding here, right? I mean, you got a pool, you got a place for barbecue. What's your favorite part of it?
I absolutely love that you're in a gated community, but so close to everything. So it's private, but you're still part of the city, which is amazing.
欢迎收看我们新房子推荐。今天很荣幸为你们介绍我们位于硅谷的豪华别墅。这别墅位于 Pleasanton， 这是家庭聚会的理想之地。里面的实用空间超过5000平方英尺，它拥有一个特大的后园，有游泳池、烧烤区和大量的空间举办大型的聚会，甚至你可以在这里举办婚礼。所有的学校都是顶级的。这是一个难得的机会，如果您有任何的问题或兴趣，可以随时致电我们，谢谢。
So Martha, I hear we're having an open house.
We are.
Am I invited?
You are absolutely
Awesome.
invited. Ed.
Tell me a little bit more about that.
Saturday and Sunday.
Okay.
We're going to have sushi. We're going to have a band. It's going to be amazing.
I'm looking forward to that.
So-
Yeah. And Kaajal, how do we get a hold of you if somebody wants to schedule a private showing?
Absolutely. You can call any one of us, and you can always visit us at the open house over the weekend, and we'll take a tour.
Well, as Martha Miller and Kaajal Shahani mentioned that, you can call us and hopefully you'll stop by our open house. You can reach out to us and we're looking forward to seeing you soon. Have a good day.